Hey there guys, I'm Caitlin, and to all of my members of the Fragrance Fam, welcome back to the AFI Project Lab. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm excited to be making some candles using our All I Want for Christmas fragrance today. It's a great choice if you're looking for a festive but sophisticated scent to add to your seasonal candle line this year. Paired with some elegant frosted containers and a cozy wood wick, hopefully these can give you some inspiration for your holiday project endeavors. You'll want to start by melting down your wax to save time while you're wicking your jars. Use a wax melting pot or a double boiler to bring the wax to a temperature of about 185 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using a 6-inch medium wood wick for each of these 8-ounce containers. I feel it's really important for the theming of your vessels and labels to coincide with the fragrance you offer. If you're going for a sleek and modern feeling with the fragrance we're using today, I recommend getting some jars like these to keep everything cohesive. Keep the wood wick centered and straight by using a tab and wick sticker to adhere it to the bottom of the jar. Let's see how my wax is doing. All right, it's all melted. It's sitting at 184 degrees. So I'll measure out 16 ounces into a measuring cup. Grab your thermometer again and check to see if you're ready to add the fragrance. I usually add it around 175 degrees, give or take a few. All I Want for Christmas is a bright and earthy seasonal scent. It's got wintry notes like spice and pine, but also some citrus, greenery, and musk to make it a little more modern. I want these candles to invoke imagery of a romantic holiday night and not necessarily Christmas morning at my grandma's, which definitely has a place in my heart, but it just goes to show how much your candle's fragrance plays into your customers' emotions and memories. Anyways, stir the fragrance in thoroughly for at least a minute. I like to continuously stir until the wax has cooled to pouring temperature. 135 to 145 degrees is the range I like to stick with. My favorite part about using opaque jars like these is that you don't have to worry about wet spots when the wax cools and pulls away from the sides of the vessel, leaving what looks like puddles on the sides of your candles. Fill the jars up, leaving some space at the top to cap them off later. Since we use wood wicks, there's no need to fuss with bow-tied holders or popsicle sticks to keep them upright. While those cool to room temperature, here's some that I made last week that have cured and are ready to be tested. I've trimmed the wick to about 1/16 of an inch for safe burning, so please join me for this candle's first burn. I love this scent so much. It really is all I want for Christmas this year, as a festive addition to my line that matches my personal aesthetic. If you haven't already gotten your holiday products prepped for the season, get started by checking out this year's best-selling seasonal scent. Make sure you're getting some good bang for your buck by signing up for our weekly newsletter. And while you're there, you can get an exclusive 10% off discount on our most beloved scents. Thanks so much for watching, Fragrance Fam. Having you guys here in the Project Lab with me is one of the best gifts I receive every Christmas season. I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Bye!